Today we talk about how can you create init on your Square app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on items here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on init here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on create init, click on it. So then here you will select here inits here in this list. So here can you select it in this list here. Just click on any here I'm going to click on which or grab here. So then here can you add here or create gram here, then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.